Am I the last? No. Oh, I'm so that's great. Wow, this is a whole production.
Do you know the most amazing thing? This is a family business.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a family business. Everybody you see here, you know, it's a family.
Please, what's the name of this fish? Oh, it's small tilapia. And this is what? Octopus. This is the kenkey.
We're Jamestown.
It's hot, eh? But you are touching it. How do you do that? Oh, fine. Good afternoon. This is my land. The land of the guns. Yeah, Jamestown. Jamestown is my Kenkey.
Where we did
Dabi, J40. Actually, in Accra. Girls are like matching. I don't know how this happened. He didn't get the memo. He didn't get the memo. But like jeans and black.
the Kenkey vibe.
So cool.
Oh, he's a gangster. Look at him. No. My friend cannot deal with this. My friend cannot deal with this. He's a gangster.
This is how much? 20.
Okay. Me, I want to enjoy well. Guys, I want to enjoy.
She wants to enjoy well.
I love where the food is sweet. Going. Like I love sweet mouth. You know. Where is the food? Sweet mouth. You like? I don't even eat plenty. No, I want to eat the fish. If that's not two, I want. Which kind of Allah it is?
Minta or avocado. I'll find it. Oh yeah, green pepper.
Please, you're showing us.
Minta or kabushito.
We're authentic.
Authentic. Okay, one is okay.
One is okay.
Yeah.
So 4. Shrimp. You want shrimp?
Absolutely. Yeah. Say minta or fair. Nice, not bad. One tower kinky edge. Ekume enyo edge. How many octopus are we getting? 3. Ete.
So guys, our food is getting set. Wow, today we're gonna enjoy ourselves. We have octopus, we have crab, we have fish. Look at the fish. So it looks so delicious, like duh. If you're not here, you're missing, bro. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? I just hope all this excitement is going to be worth it. Ghanaian police are friendly, as you can see. Ghanaian police are friendly.
And the kenkey is so good. The kenkey is so good.
Ha, look at, I don't think I can sit in front of police like this in Nigeria. Oh my,
No,
my
you are
brother.
free. You are free.
Look about in Ghana.
No, everybody's free, you know. Hello to everyone. That's me. This afternoon we have come here to have a bite,
Yeah.
get some nice kenkey, and also enjoy. It's a good place. I mean,
Ghana is very safe.
Ghana is
Say it again. Ghana is what?
Very safe.
Good.
Ghana is very safe. Everyone is safe.
Yeah.
You are all safe. All
I'm
foreigners
safe.
in
Yeah.
Ghana who
Yeah.
find themselves in the territory of Ghana.
Yeah.
They are all
We
safe.
don't see you people as foreigners because we look like Ghanaians.
Yeah.
It's only the accent that makes the difference.
It's heavy, eh? We will. Guys. Wow.
Hey, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. I have nothing to say about it. She's just a girl trying kenkey for the first time. So this is how people supposed to do something. Yes. Hey!
Guys, she's getting the bill. She, rich auntie.
You have money.
You have money, claim it. Rich auntie.
I'm not rich.
Please, you're rich. Hey.
I'm just a beggar. Dance for me for paying now. Look at that. The way you are.
Oh, bye.
It's love. Bye. So guys, we are now leaving, okay? We are here with Miss Melinda. I'm entering this car today. This car with the entire. Thank you, Ghana, for giving us this wonderful gift.